Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple is preparing a major update to its Shortcuts app, bringing deeper integration with its Apple Intelligence platform, according to a report from Bloomberg. For those unfamiliar, the Shortcuts app allows users to automate tasks by creating custom workflows known as shortcuts that can perform a variety of actions from sending text to controlling smart home devices. Originally developed as workflow before Apple acquired it in 2017, the app was rebranded as Shortcuts and became a core part of Apple's automation tools. Now, Apple plans to take things further by embedding Apple Intelligence into the app. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that the new version will let users generate shortcuts by using natural language commands powered by large language models, aka LLMs. This would make creating automations much more intuitive, especially for users who find the current interface too technical or complex. The move would put Apple closer to offerings like Microsoft's Copilot Plus for Windows, which already enables AI-assisted automation. On macOS, some third-party tools such as TaskGPT offer similar functionality, but Apple has yet to introduce a native AI solution of its own, largely because Siri still doesn't fully utilize LLMs. That gap is something Apple reportedly tends to close this time around. While the updated Shortcuts app was initially targeted for release this year, development delays could push its launch into 2026. As a result, it may not be included in the first wave of macOS 26 or iOS or iPadOS 26 updates expected this September. With AI integration on the horizon, the revamped Shortcuts app could mark a major step forward in making automation more accessible across Apple's ecosystem, just not as soon as users might have hoped for it.